Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually in the UK. If you guys haven't watched my UK vlog as yet, please go ahead and watch it. Today I'm gonna be trying on some stuff that I got from Pretty Little Thing because I'm in the UK. So I didn't have any winter clothes, so I decided to get some from Pretty Little Thing. I actually have on the first piece. So this is a two-piece set. They have it in extra small and small, but I didn't have any extra small, so I decided to get it in small. So it's actually big for me. This should have been a little tighter, but I still like it. I'm still gonna wear it out. It's a little warm, which is good, but it's not too warm. I'm indoor, by the way, so it has like a elasticity bottom, which is good. The next item is actually a big ass coat, because like I said, I only carried a coat here to the UK. So oh my god, it seems very big. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I hope it is warm. I like it. I had a black one to this, but it had like, it attracted a lot of lint, so I had to throw it away. Anyways, so this seems okay. It seems very thick, which is perfect for me. So yeah, it's a little, it looks big. It does look big, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, I just want to be warm. I was taking pictures, I can't just be like, right? Yeah, so I like it. It's okay, it's fine with me. So this is gonna be only two coats I have here in the UK. Oh shoot, I totally forgot that I bought this shoe. This is a black coat. It said it was a puffer jacket. I really hope that it keeps me warm. Yeah, so I have a black coat. Nice. I need to do something with my braids. My braids just be in my way all the time. But yeah, this is it. I have not been outside much because of how cold it is. But yeah. So I have some, I went to Primark. Yeah, I forgot the name. I went to Primark to get some stuff, and I got some winter, some summer looking tops. So I can actually wear the summer top and just have this, you know, like wear this over it to just look a little stylish and stuff. Because it's, even though it's winter here, I see the girls, some of the girls be dressing like it's summer. I'm like, damn, aren't you cold? And some of them are cold. Like they have on sleeveless stuff and short stuff. I'm like, damn, I wasn't expecting that. But yeah, I didn't buy much stuff, guys, because I don't want to be overweight when I'm leaving the UK. Oh, I bought shoes as well. The thing is, UK's measurement is different from the US measurement, because I wear size 7, but for the UK I had to pick a size 5. So my friend was like, wait, you're picking the incorrect one. And I'm like, but that's not the size that I wear. But then when I checked the chart that they had, I realized that yeah, it was correct. So this is size 5, and in, I don't know, so it's size 5 or size 38. So let me actually check if it will fit me. This actually does fit. Pretty cool, huh? It fits, but I don't think I like. Oh my god, this is an ugly ass shoes. It's so ugly. I didn't know that it was so ugly. Like the shoes, it looks like a work shoes with just all that comes all the way to the top. But I guess it's comfy. That's all that matters, right? But I wear size 5 in the UK. That's weird. It goes all the way up. Can you guys see it? In the camera it looks okay, but in person it looks darn ugly. I'm gonna just keep it because I paid, I think it was 30 something pounds for it, which was pretty affordable compared to what they had, the other price that they had for these type of boots. So yeah. Alright, so next I have just this top, this sweater top type of thing that I can wear with one of my jeans that I bought from Primark. This is a little shorter than I expected it to be. I'm gonna wear like a jeans, upper jeans with it, but like I wanted some clothes that I could just wear when I'm running errands while I'm here, because I don't really have anything fancy planned in the UK, to be honest. So I just wanted some actual nice simple tops to wear on the road. Alright guys, it was a struggle to get this on. This sweater that I just had on is actually an extra small. Can you imagine this is extra small and it's so big? But this is an extra small as well, and this is very tight, super tight. Because I wear small, extra small depending. So yeah, this is too tight for me. So if I'm wearing this, I would probably wear this with the black boots that I bought and this black puffer jacket. When it gets cold, I just feel me. I think I have probably 1 or 2 more outfits left. Yeah, I have 2 more. 1, actually not 2 more, 2. I have 3 more pieces left. This is very, very thin, but this is a size 2. I'm gonna try this on in a sec. This is something that I can wear as a summer outfit, as a summer top with like jeans or something like that. I really like it. It's really cute, but it's not like a winter type of thing. But I really love this. I'm gonna try it on, let you guys see. Also have this dress, which I love. So this is the next item. This looks very, very tiny. I think in the UK the sizes are a bit smaller than the US. But the good thing is that it stretches. It's shorter than I expected. It's shorter. I can probably wear the boots with this as well. Let me try on the boots with it. But when I bend over, my friend said when I bend over. I'm not, what am I gonna, the extra, what am I gonna, I'm not gonna, I don't bend over like this, I bend like this. I'm taking up something. This is not the first time I'm wearing something short. Yeah, what do you think? You know, you can say something. They're not seeing you, but they can hear you. And now I stop doing hand movements. Anyways, yeah, she said yeah. My friend said yeah, this can work. So yeah, so this is like a sexy outfit. We'll talk clubbing in the UK, Tiffany. Wow, she left the room, guys. But this would be nice for clubbing in the UK. Yeah, I want to go clubbing, Tiffany. Saturday night, can't we? Damn. This would look perfect to go clubbing. Tiffany, let's go clubbing. She said my blood sea dreams. You see what she was talking? I'm only here for 2 weeks, guys. Only 2 weeks. But yeah, I really like this. This is cute. I really like it, man. I wanna enjoy myself in the UK. I can't dance. I don't know how I feel about this. This, huh? This is very tight, yo. Way too tight. Like if I put on any more weight, I definitely can't fit it in this. Or maybe wait, this is, I think this is the flipping back. This is the back, guys. Yeah, this is the back. I need to fix it. I put it on backwards. Yeah, this is the back. I think this coat goes with everything. I could wear this with sneakers maybe. This is supposed to be the smallest size that they have, I think. I can't wear bra with this. But it's supposed, like on the model, I can't tie or anything. It's supposed to be worn like hanging down like this with like a pants. Something with a pants. I like it, but I think it should have been a little tighter than this. Let me show you guys the back. The back is just very, the back is very simple. But I like it. Definitely do. I just need to wear, I need to wear like a bra with it or something. Because this ain't cute. I don't like going on the road with my nipples printed and stuff. I need to go to the gym and tone up my body, which I'm gonna do probably starting next month. I'm gonna definitely tone up myself. But yeah, do you guys like this stuff or not? I really like the design, and when they, like, I saw it on a YouTube channel and I was like, yeah, definitely I'm wearing this. It's definitely my style. This, I don't know, I prefer it the other way. And it's supposed to be button. This is very, very tight, yo. Super tight. I'm gonna probably ask my friend to send it back for me. But yeah, I don't like it wearing it like at the front. Wearing it front ways, that's not, like, I don't like it like this. So if I do keep it, I'm not gonna wear it this way, but I definitely turn it around and wear it front to back, because I don't like it. I don't like it from the front. It looks at the front. What do you guys think? Definitely no. It's a no for me. I like the first outfit that I had, but this is probably by far my best, my favorite out of it. So I'm gonna just close up with it. So guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If there's any direction that you want my channel to go in, please let me know, because of course I've been doing like many different things on my channel, but I want to just like have one thing and just grow my channel based on that thing. So if you guys have any ideas or anything that you actually want me to do, if I have a lot of people saying the same thing, then I'm definitely going to go into that direction. Yeah, so let me know. If I do travel vlogs, it's not going to be like all the time, because I'm not going to be traveling until in the next few months, right? So yeah, so no travel vlogs. No, if I do travel vlogs, it won't be as frequent. Yeah. And maybe I can do sit down videos if I get good ideas, you know, and if I'm knowledgeable on the ideas, I can do those. But any other thing, let me know guys in the comment section what you want me to see. What do you want to see on the channel, and I'll try to niche down into that direction. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for watching the entire video, me rambling and all that. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.